On this week's video, your comments won out and we're knocking out the A5 Wagyu Philly Cheesesteak. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on this week, we're going to be knocking out our A5 Wagyu Cheesesteak because of your comments. See, I read the comments. You thought I didn't read the comments, but I do. Yeah, look at this little beauty. This is our A5 Wagyu. We got some onions, some peppers, some green peppers, and some jalapeno peppers. Little booter. SPG for seasoning. We're gonna get this rig on this rig. How many people get to say that they season their griddle with A5 Wagyu fat?
Hey, you guys aren't allowed to be back here.
We're filming.
Hey, get out of here. We're vlogging, dude. I got some, bro. Oh, yeah. You ready? You ready for the money count?
Logan, what are you doing?
I took part of the ribeye, took the fat.
Stop. We're gonna need to redo this.
Hold on.
Start over.
Pretty good.
Oh.
So what we're cooking on today is the Hasty Bake Griddle. I bought this. They didn't give it to me for free. Paid for it with my own money. All stainless steel. Let me give them a shot of the inside. So I just put about 3/4 of a basket of coals in there, hot coals in there. Just got them all ran to one side. And made sure to drop it all the way down to the very bottom. I'm gonna eat that guy right there. Cheers. Oh my God. Hey, I want to thank you for those of you that comment down below, because this is where we got this recipe. So if you want us to cook something, leave us a comment. And you never know, we just might do it. Here. Alright, so we got our buns toasted, we got our steak cooked. Oh, dude, this smells amazing. You ready to build this sucker? You know, I do wish I had the Amorosa roll or whatever it's called from Philly. The one I used to have on the truck. And I know a lot of people are gonna flip. But we use Cheez Wiz. And I know, save the comments. It only it's provolone. This is just how I like it. You make them however you want. I do like a lot of cheese though. What? Look at there. Son, come on. Come on, Logan. And there you have it. $250 cheesesteak. Comments, man. It's all about the comments. You gotta leave a comment. You never know. All right, so we're gonna get cut into this thing and give it a try. I stand corrected. Last week, I said that was the best thing we've ever made on the show. But I think we got a new winner. Because this is phenomenal. And it's super easy to do. All we did was cut up some onions, cut up some peppers, cut up a jalapeno, sauteed them in a little butter, hit them with a little SPG. Then we cut up our A5 Wagyu, but you don't have to use A5 Wagyu. Use any steak. I guarantee you, just your regular steak at home, this is gonna make a killer recipe for you and the family. I mean a killer recipe. And Cheez Wiz, man, go out and try the Cheez Wiz. It's phenomenal. Grill it up, get you some hoagie buns, toast them up, try something different, man. As always, I wanna thank you for watching, and don't forget to make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.